AGARO Glory Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier, 4.5 liters, for large area, room, home, office, adjustable mist output, ceramic ball filter, ultra quiet, 360 degrees rotatable nozzle. Comes with a top handle for easy removing of top half of the product. Suitable for up to 20 SQ meters/215 SQ foot room area such as large room, baby room, living room, office. Comes with removable ceramic ball filter to prevent water scalding and remove impurities from the water in the humidifier to give a clean moisture in your room. Comes with a dial control knob which can be adjusted to control the mist output for an ideal humidity level as per your requirement with max 300 milliliters per hour. Comes with